Hey you guys, welcome back. My name is Darla if you're new, and if you are coming back now for our second week of giveaways, you know me very well because I've been coming in almost every day. Well, every day last week for sure. So we have 4 more giveaways. This is our 12 days of Christmas giveaway and we are on day number 9. Congratulations for all of you that have won. It's been super exciting and a pleasure for me personally. I kind of love this. What I have for you for our day 9 giveaway is a Clinique Happy gift set. Happy is a very light fragrance. It's lovely. I didn't even know how much I loved it until people asked me what I was wearing and they liked it and it happened to be Happy. So I actually have a bottle of this and I love it. It's very light and airy and great for an everyday fragrance just to smell pretty. So in this giveaway, it has a picture here, which is cute. And then it has a cute little tin. It says Clinique, and inside has all of these cute little things. So you have a chubby stick, you have a body cream in the scent of Happy. Here's a little roller ball of Happy. It might be it's not a roller ball, it's a spray. Even better. So you have the spray and the body gelato in the Happy scent. And then this one is a hand cream. And this, I believe, what is it called? Berry Flush. So the two, the chubby stick and the hand cream are both, I believe this says strawberry, and this is Berry Flush. And then these will be the Happy scent, the traditional Happy fragrance scent. This is my day off, so the specs are coming out because I am not wearing my contacts. And I wanted to read to you what exactly is in this giveaway. We have the Clinique Happy Gelato Cream for Hands. So that's going to be the pink one, and it comes in Berry Blush. So this is this one here, great for a purse. It's like a great purse size. It's a great size anyway. It comes in a 1 ounce. And then next we have the Clinique Spray. And the Clinique Spray is going to be a 0.17 ounce. So it's just a nice little, again, travel size, great for your purse, things like that. Then we have the Chubby Stick. This is like a balm, and I don't want to take any of these out because I just don't want to mess up the packaging. It's Whoppin' Watermelon. There you go. Whoppin' Watermelon in the Chubby Stick. And then the Clinique Happy Gelato Cream. That's gonna be in the Happy scent. The gelato cream for the body, it's like a whipped body cream. That is a 2 ounce. So you get all 4 of these products in this cute little tin. You know, back in the day when I first started in cosmetics, there were not as many lines. I mean, gosh, a fraction of the cosmetic lines that are out there today. And I happened to work for Lancome when I first started in cosmetics, and they were known as the big 3. And in those big 3 were Estee Lauder, Lancome, and Clinique. And all 3 of them are tried and true brands to this day. It is, you know, a product, it's a line that you know you're gonna get quality. And I'm super excited to offer this little giveaway to you. You know, just a little bit of history. I don't even know if there's a big 3 anymore, but that was, you know, early 90s. It's still a great brand. Happy is a great scent. You know, we tease because Estee Lauder, Lancome, and Clinique have been around so long, there's some fragrances that people refer to their grandma as wearing them because they were just so popular and everybody had them. I mean, beautiful aromatics. Trésor is a luxury one from Lancome. the Beautiful and the Aromatics. Well, Aromatics is Clinique, and Beautiful is Estee Lauder. Just little flashbacks for you guys. Anyways, enough of that. Just want to go over what you need to do to enter for this giveaway. So we have number one. If you've been doing it for the past 2 weeks, you probably know what I'm going to say, but I'm going to do it anyway. Number one is subscribe. 2, like this video, please. 3, comment. Comment. What Clinique products do you use? Number 4, follow on Instagram or Facebook if you do win. What we'll do is you can message me on Facebook if you don't have Instagram, okay? The whole purpose of this, it's not to get 1 million followers. It is to get your information in a private way where you're not throwing it out onto YouTube, because there's no way to message through YouTube. So we're going to use other social media avenues, which would be Instagram if you have one, or send me a message through Messenger in Facebook. Okay? And US only for this 12 days of giveaway, okay? I hope you are having a fabulous Monday. We're going to be doing video posts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of this week. That'll be the end of our 12 days of Christmas. And good luck to everybody. Thank you so much for all of you that have commented. It's been super, super fun reading and replying. That's my favorite part, honestly. And well, and the giving, but the commenting and the interaction, it's great. I love it. So take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.